Book of Heaven, Volume 12, June 2nd, 1920. Jesus felt the pain of the separation which man had caused with sin. Continuing in my usual state and recollecting myself in prayer, I saw an abyss within me, of which I could not see the bottom. And in the middle of this abyss of depth and width, my sweet Jesus, afflicted and taciturn. I could not comprehend how I saw him in me, and I felt far away from him, as if he did not exist for me. My heart remained tortured, and I felt the torment of a cruel death. And this, not once, but who knows how many times I find myself in this abyss, as though separated from my all, from my life. Now, while my heart was dripping blood, my always lovable Jesus, coming out of this abyss, surrounded my neck with his arms, placing himself behind my shoulders, and told me,
"My beloved daughter, you are my true portrait." Oh, how many times my moaning humanity found itself in these tortures. It was identified with the divinity. Even more, they were one single thing. And while they were one, I felt the torment of the separation, of the abyss of the divinity, because while it enveloped me inside and out, I being identified with it, I felt far away. My poor humanity was to pay the penalty in the separation which abusing humanity had caused with sin. And in order to join it to the divinity, I was to suffer all the pain of their separation. But each instant of separation was for me a ruthless death. This is the cause of your pains and of the abyss that you see. It is likeness to me. Also in these stormy times, humanity runs far away from me as though in reckless flight, and you must feel the pain of its separation to be able to join it to me. It is true that your state is too painful, but it is always a pain of your Jesus. And I, in order to give you strength, will hold you tightly from behind your shoulders, so that while keeping you safer, I give greater intensity to your pain. In fact, if I kept you in front of me, by merely seeing my arms close to you, your pain would be halved, and my likeness would be achieved later.
Thank you for being a part of our community here at Divine Will app. If you enjoy listening to Jesus' lessons on how to live in the divine will, please give this video a thumbs up. Your likes help us reach more souls yearning to live in the kingdom of the divine will. We'd love to hear your thoughts and reflections, so drop a comment below. Your insights not only enrich our community, but also inspire others on their spiritual journey. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. By joining us, you're helping to spread the news of the kingdom of the divine will, so that together we can bring his kingdom to reign on earth as it is in heaven. In the divine will, always.